Shavuot doesn't actually have a day that the holiday is attached to. Unlike Pesach or Sukkot, Shavuot is dayless. What's the lesson? Meaning, we know we count 49 days, and then that 50th day, whatever it is, it's not a calendar day, is Shavuot. So what's the lesson? The lesson is you cannot pinpoint and limit Matan Torah to a particular calendar day, because Matan Torah is dayless. It doesn't have that limitation. Every day is a day that we have to be Mekabel Torah. Every day Hashem is noten et HaTorah mechadash. So it has no actual day. Okay, so what is this 50 business? So the truth is, there's a concept of the 50 gates of wisdom. And the 49 day count that we count up towards is the idea of working on oneself, perfecting oneself, making a vessel that's fit for the beauty and glory of Torah. If you take wonderful, beautiful wine and you pour it in a tarnished, dirty cup, you'll have wine that you'll assume is dirty. It has bitter. It's not, doesn't taste well. It's because the vessel wasn't fit and appropriate for it. So in order to have a proper Kabbalah HaTorah, to have a real noten HaTorah and mekabel HaTorah, that you have to be prepared. And so the 50 is that we have to come prepared to receive these 50 levels of Binah, which the truth is the ultimate grasp of Torah is on this 50th level. Today we don't have all of the 50 levels. Moshe Rabbeinu reached the 50th level, and then with the Jewish people together, they all fell below, and we lost that 50th level. But it's out there, and B'ezrat Hashem, it's our job to reach that level again through our hard work, and eventually with the coming of Mashiach, we will reach that 50th level again. But that's the idea. This is very much similar to, or really the idea that the Gra teaches, that Torah is compared to water. Why? Water, when you water a field, it gives that field the ability to grow. Things that are planted there, seeds that are underneath the ground, it grows. Whatever's there grows. If there are weeds under the ground, they will grow. If there are good, proper seeds planted, then also fruit trees will grow. Everything will grow. Whatever you water will grow. So we have to look at ourselves. Adam eitz hasadeh. We are a tree in the field. We have to be rooted on earth, and we have to grow, and we have to have perot to offer the people around us, the world around us. So that's the idea. Just like whatever's inside of me, Torah will come in and can strengthen. If I have bad character traits, so unfortunately the Torah itself I can use, this pure, perfect Torah, I can use to justify my wicked endeavors, my crooked way of thinking. This is what, in fact, the sages say, that tzadikim yelchu ba v'rashaim yikashelu ba, that the righteous will have success through Torah, and the wicked will stumble through Torah. Also, the Torah can be compared to a double-edged sword, meaning the same sword that is sharp on one end that I can use to attack, can then be the other side that's facing me can be a sword against myself. We have to be careful.